We already know the equation of the linear is a1x1 plus a2x2 plus a and xn equal to b, where x1, x2, and xn is variable. b and coefficients a1, an are real or complex number. We have the system of linear equations. It's go like that. So, what's the matrix? Matrix is a transformation of the linear equations. It's like that. Where 5 is A, B is 1 is B, 2 is C, and that's the undefined. Okay. In this one, that's the undefined because this is coefficient matrix where we don't define Z. We have the other matrix, which is argument matrix, which included that in the matrix. We may have a straight line to make it clearer and you don't get mistake. Okay. As you can see, we use A and B to define the name of the matrix. And usually, matrix goes for row and column. This is a row and this is a column. So, matrix A have 2 rows and 3 columns. We may write matrix A like 2 plus 3. Matrix always goes by row and column. It's the order of the matrix. For this class, we don't have. There's not much. New mathematics. To learn You should. For example, okay, so for this class we call multiple is term minus plus and divide. Divide by. So for example, as I mentioned before, we have row here. This is row 1, this is row 2, right? So if we want to multiply, we can use like row 1 equal to row 2 minus, or I can say row 1 equal to 5 row 2 minus 3 row 1. Oh, okay. Or if we have to say like row 1 for row 2, 1 over 4 row 2, or we can say row 1 equal to a quarter of row 2. So okay, so like we know a to the power of minus 1 is the exponential, no, is the a minus 1 is a minus 1, we say usually usually say this is a to the power of minus 1, but in the matrix we don't say that, we call it invertible. It's a similar idea of a to the power of t. We don't say it a to the power of t, but we say a transpose. Okay, so the next concept is I think I already mentioned, is n to n is row by column, is n by n matrix, where n equal to n, which means row equal to column. We also have n by n by n matrix, which is m different than n, which is row is different than column. So lastly, the textbook explain everything thoroughly and clearly with understanding example. So you may say this matrix which is like this. We say this is homogeneous matrix. Right. This is my own tip for ESL student. Okay. First, don't translate math problems into their own language. Second, why? Because it doesn't help. Because it doesn't help you much. Because it doesn't help you much. Second, understand problems, but don't try to get it by your own language. Three, if you don't know or don't understand, please ask. Nobody ignore you. Even you can't pronounce properly. 4, be engaged. This is a way to be successful in this class. If we do the practice, it will be fine. Good luck. Thank you to pay attention to my presentation.